My name is Closson, and I am a certified high performance coach as well as an international speaker. I primarily work with women who are kind of like how I was, where I was burned out. Essentially, I'm a recovering workaholic, and which wasn't a bad thing at the time. And so a lot of the women that I work with are women that are extremely successful, but they are also asking themselves, is this what life is all about? The reason why I started or entertained the idea of an app was because Vincent came and spoke at a brand builders event. And I remember when he was presenting, I just thought, would this work for something or someone like me in the coaching realm? There's other people out there that can't just go to exclusive retreats or can't just do the one-on-one coaching. And the more I listened and asked the questions and had the conversations with him, he really opened my eyes to really showing the layout and the clarity of what having an app would actually look like. It was so simple, it almost made it like a no-brainer versus trying to have like this big complicated process. So I think the simplicity of having an app, and one of the very things that Vincent said to me, which was, how many times do you go and visit your own website? And when he said that to me, I was like, I don't go to my website to look for updates. And so if I, the creator, am not doing that, the likelihood of anybody else going to my website, it is like slim to none. However, if I had an app that had a push notification that could notify people, hey, we've got these changes, you're gonna wanna go to this part of my website or go see this, then people are more inclined than automatically just having this idea of, oh, I'm gonna go and look at Rachel's website for some random reason, which they're not going to do. So the experience with Vyten for me was fantastic. When I started with Vyten, it was very cut and clean, where for me, I wanted it to be more of a experience where someone came in and they could feel like the warmth of what I was offering in my coaching program. Even though that was the direction that I wanted to go and it was slightly different from what they normally do, they were able to put all of my vision into this app. It was incredible just to see all of the different sections that were played out. And for me, I really had to visually see those pieces come into place. And then once I started to see those and I started to add into the content, that is really when everything started changing. Where just putting in those little content pieces for me, it was like, okay, this was like such a good decision. I can now reach way larger masses and bring them down into this funnel where if, maybe they first started downloading the app and then they end up being one of my clients. My business has changed with the app because I now have a clear picture of how I want my business to actually run. To be able to offer that to the masses, I had a gal the other day on TikTok. She messaged me, she was like, I absolutely love your content. Do you have a website, a blog? Like, what do you have? And I was like so excited just to be able to say, and it was so simple. Yeah, here's my app. Like, go download my app. You can get my YouTube videos. You can get, curated content. You can get all of these things. And it's like, I think back even just to a year, I would have been like, go to my website. But the reality is my website doesn't house this content. I would most definitely recommend Vyten to anybody and everybody just because of the simplicity of it. I feel like the app gives you a place where you can still be you can put out your content and in a professional way that allows you to, again, be on that same playing field as everybody else.